Blazeme app, how to use. Match and party with real friends. Blazeme app is waiting for you. Swipe left or right, follow your gut. Quality community connections, not endless searching. Find interesting moments, break the silence with great topics. Spark connection with friends. Blazeme is a dynamic social platform bustling with fascinating users tailored to facilitate connections with both new acquaintances and existing friends. Locally, globally, it's an ideal space to effortlessly uncover that special someone or strengthen bonds with those you already know. The platform boasts a range of engaging features such as swipe matching for discovering new connections, group voice chats that can be used for live online parties, instant messaging. So check it out. To be honest, I don't know whether this app is scam or not. It looks like this is quite scammy app, just to be honest, but seems it's getting some real reviews and ratings. So seems it's like 50-50 scam and 50-50 like real app. I will just show you. So as you can see, like there are a lot of ads. Some of these profiles here you can see, then you can just tap to discover some feed. Then you see some voice parties who liked you, who viewed your profile. Then you can see your profile. Then there are coins, which you can buy coins. That's just how you can get those. There are no kind of promo codes or referral codes as far as I know. So here you have it, and then you just can block, you can follow, message, same as you do with all other stuff. Just edit profile. Here you can, this is what you can add and how you can filter it. Verification, you can also verify a real person verification. And then also there is like plus feature and local features just for $70 per year. So extra coins, enhanced filtering, view your visitors, limitless crush selections, check who like you, additional features. And then there's also 3-day free trial, then $10 per week. So that's just what it is. So that's the app. I mean, probably it's usable in Asia on some countries like that. But yeah, that's basically what you have. Check it out. If you read ratings, it's 4.9 out of 5. And a lot of people actually say that a lot of these ratings are paid for, as you can see. And yeah, to be honest, I would advise you to be quite careful with this kind of app because seems they are just running a lot of ads recently and they're in top charts in the App Store. But as you can see, some real reviews are not that good. And unfortunately, that's the idea.